Hi, my name is Sharon Lim, and I am an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. I blog at sharonitwithyou.blogspot.com, and today I wanted to show you a fun gift card holder that I made two versions of, a horizontal version, and the card just sits here, and a vertical version, and it sits in this pocket also. I used the Delightfully Eclectic DSP with this version, and I also use the stamp from the Hooray for Surprises on this one. Then I decided I'm going to go ahead and do more masculine ones using the Tool DSP. So let's get started. Start with we'll do the horizontal one first. The card base 5.5 by 8.5 scored at 4 1/4. The inside fold part is 5 1/8 by 8 scored at 2 4. A piece of cardstock to be behind this piece at 4 1/8 by 5 3/8. DSP for the front, 4 by 5 1/4, and one small piece of DSP 1.5 by 5 1/4. So let's start with the card base, already scored with the bone folder. The inside fold, you just have to fold a valley fold and then a mountain fold. So it looks like this. You burnish those really well. Then I'm going to adhere the cardstock inside first. I'll use the Stampin'. See, I'll put a T there just to remind me where the top of the lid is. So that'll go here as a nice mat for this piece. And then this will go right here. Just a small, I'm into that small frame for now. So a little small frame there. And the key is, for this piece to hold the gift card, is we're going to go ahead and put some adhesive just on the edge here. I'm going to bring in my cutter, and you're just going to cut just the fold part of it, so that will create the opening. So just a real small bit. And then what you adhered will actually hold the card, so it's open like this. And just to make it easier for the gift card, using the smaller circle punch, centering as much as I can. There we go. And that's how it fits, like that. Then you're going to get that smaller piece of DSP to place on the front of this. I just did the opposite side of the DSP that I'm going to be using on the front. And this is the DSP for the front. I'm going to go back to my usual clockwise adhesive here. And for fun, I use the Tool, what is this one called? This is the Everyday Details dies on this side. This is the radiating, so I store them in a case. So I use the circle that has the dots around it for here. Debating on, yeah, let's do some dimensionals. I put some red on it to highlight that. I took off the release paper. Sometimes I can't tell by looking. So there, and then this little circle is also from the die set. I'm going to go ahead and use one of the stamp sets from the Hooray for Surprises. Let's say, "You're the best." And I'll go ahead and just put some Stampin' Seal. And that's it. And let's test out our lovely gift card. So open up You're the Best. Open it, the opening here. And the gift card should stay there. Ta-da! Alright, so let us do pretty simple, pretty easy. And now I'll show you the vertical version and vertical measurements. So card base 4 1/4 by 11, scored at 5 1/2. 2 DSPs 4 by 5 1/4. The same one, but think about the direction too, because this is going to be vertical. So I did cut it that way, and then this is the reverse of it. 1 1/2 by 5 1/4. The same measurements. The inside fold's a little different. It's 5 1/4 by 8 and scoring at 2 and 4. You'll see a little extra scores because I was trying to figure out the measurements. And then the cardstock for the base of this piece, the same, 4 1/8 by 5 3/4. So same deal. Let's go ahead and finish that for the vertical one. Then let's do the cardstock. Oops, sorry. Here. And my clockwise adhesive to make sure all the corners stay down. We'll fold the inside the same way. So mountain or valley, sorry, and then mountain. So that'll go right here. Let's do our clockwise. Little frame again. More adhesive just on the sides. Bring my trimmer in to get that little edge off again. This is from the previous card. So just a little bit of the edge to cut the fold off. And then a circle one. Back in, trying to center just a little bit. Love how they just kind of jump off. And then the little strip of DSP in front of the pocket. Then the nuts and bolts for the front. And this time, what did I get? I have another one of these, some more dimensionals for this one. Release paper. Last time I used real red, so this time I think I'm going to use the Lost Lagoon. So let me rinse this or wash it with this. So stamp that onto the circle. All right. Good to go. So now, just closing my inks just in case. Alright, so here's the vertical version. You're the best. And then the gift card. Let me grab my second one to fit right in there. Dun, dun, dun. And then the horizontal one. Where the gift card folds here. Let me put this away. Tie a T for top. And bring back the other ones. There's the horizontal or Make-A-Wish. And the vertical for Make-A-Wish. So thanks for watching my video. Be sure to like, comment, Subscribe if you'd like to see more video tutorials like this. I'll be making more from the other items from the mini catalog. Thanks for letting me share this with you. Have a great day. Bye.